Hello YouTube, this is Humvee Guys Tony speaking. My buddy Eric is out in Honduras doing some great things for the U.S. Army. We have had two fails with the cast car O-rings. Today we're going to try to do the Trailworthy Fabs O-ring to their specs. So a little bit of work that I had to do. I had to resand and repaint the rims. So that way we had some good contact. I'm letting it dry right now. I'll show you the other one in a few seconds. Here I am showing you the top rim sanded again and repainted, so that way we have good seal contact. Okay, so Trailworthy Fabs has a process where they actually stretch the O-ring because the O-ring is smaller, and they use super glue. With this super glue by Gorilla, it's a gel version. It specifically has rubber on it. I'm a little hesitant with super glue, but I'll try this one. Okay, so I super glued it the way the instructions say, and I stretched the O-ring also prior to. So it seems like it's holding right now, so I'm going to try to set it with the 4 bolts as recommended. Okay, so the instructions did not say take it down to torque, so I've got them snug. I'm not sure if you can see into there. I'm hoping that the top is hitting the O-ring and setting it in its place. It is all tightened up to the foot-pounds that the TM requires. I'm about to fill it up, see how much it held. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner. I was skeptical using crazy glue on the O-ring, but I guess that O-ring is made for that rubber type of adhesive to metal. I have tire pressure holding at 40. I'm not going to take it up to 50 as the it says max 50 PSIs. I'm going to keep it at 40 right now, leave it like that a day, see if it keeps the same tire pressure. But right now, no leaks and the air is holding. We have a successful spare tire mount.